Okay guys, today's video is about accessing the equity in your property if you're a retired person, or if you have retired family members, parents or other family members that are retired and on fixed income and looking for ways to finance various things, right? Like medical expenses, there's no question, are an issue for that demographic, and retirement housing may be another thing. Rehab facility expenses, these are all just ridiculously expensive and ridiculously stressful topics to have to contend with and figure out. And one of the common questions that I get is, can I just borrow that equity? And the short answer to that would seem to be obviously yes, it's my resource and I should be able to access it. But accessing it isn't quite as simple as some might think. So that's what I want to get into a little bit today. So I'm not Tom Selleck. I'm not Dolly Parton or Joe Namath or Phil Simms or any of these other people who do ads on television, but I am a mortgage lender and I've been a mortgage lender for 30 years, and I've learned various things about how to access this equity. And look, I didn't ever love the idea of reverse mortgage, but the more I've studied this concept and the more I've studied this product, the more it becomes a useful resource for the people in the demographic that I just mentioned. Now, contrary to popular belief, a reverse mortgage does not give away your property, right? It's just like any other loan. You still own the property and your estate will still get the property if you pass away. It's not a loss of your property. You're borrowing from the property just like any other loan. The difference with this loan type is that you do not incur a payment, which happens to be a really convenient way to access that equity. And you don't have to have a lot of income, or sometimes you don't have to have any income to qualify for it. And that's kind of the unique way to be able to access that equity that you or your family member might be looking to access. So a reverse mortgage is not a way to give away your house, and the estate will still have the ability to sell the house upon that person or your passing. And so this is something to take a look at if you're in the predicament where you need to finance, maybe you just need to finance the improvement or rehabilitation of your property to make it more accessible for your limited mobility or your special medical needs. Those sorts of things are all things to contemplate. So reach out if you want some more information on a reverse mortgage or just a home equity line of credit. Those are both things that we can help you out with. And forgive the monster truck driving by. That's another topic for another day. But anyway, if you want more information, as I mentioned, email, website, and phone number are all in this video. Happy to talk to you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.